Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to do that finger exercise I just played. It's your normal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to develop speed on all 12 keys. It's a very simple exercise, so I'm going to go slow now. Please, if you are new to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button down there to get the channel going. Thank you. Okay, so what I did was that this is my left hand, this is my right hand. I played my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I got it back. I was using metronome, so I was running on 180 BPM. So if you want to do this, you can reduce it. Reduce it to a very good, any one of your choice. Well, let me off the metronome for now. So you can take it like this. This exercise looks basic, but it's very powerful. It will spread your hands. You have a lot of speed. So what I was doing was that I was moving it from key to key chromatically. I was going forward. After doing it on A, I went to A sharp. Then after doing it on A sharp, I went to B. After doing it on B, I went to C. I did it on all these keys until I got to A on the higher octave. Then I started going back chromatically. Then I went back again. Then I did all that before I got to the A again. Let me take it a little bit fast now. Okay, let me take it fast. So when I got back to the A, I just did. It's very basic, but I promise you, it will transform your fingers. It's gonna do wonders. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.